CPA marketing for beginners. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you one of the simplest strategy you can even use as a beginner to get traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, the strategy which I'm about to reveal to you is going to be 100% free right now, and without waste of time, let's dive right into the video. But if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see lots of cool videos that could help you go into boosting your income online. Check out those videos and also go into boosting your income online. Make sure you're also subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all, like you can see right here, to actually get notified whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today, firstly you want to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform like CPAGrip right here. If you click on register right now, you'll be brought to this page right here where you want to just simply provide your basic details in each field, having this red asterisk sign, and actually go on to getting your account created by agreeing to the terms of service after filling out those fields right there and get your account created. So once your account has been created, you want to log into your account, come onto this section which says offer tools. If you select that, select the my offers and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. You can filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. Suppose I want to promote offers to the Australian demographic, and we'll be able to see offers available to that demographic right now. So what you want to do is to scroll through until you can actually get a sweepstake offer, and this is a very cool sweepstake offer which is an iPhone 14 giveaway offer right now. Supposing I just select the offer right here, guys, you'll be able to see more details about the offer. That is actually an Apple iOS offer and an pin submit offer. Here's the payout to the offer. This is just an example of an offer right now, and here's your unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. So if you do copy this link right now, the next thing which you want to do is to create a simple landing page right here. You could use platforms like the Google site, the breezy.io, or any other landing page builder site you can actually grab hold of. And to easily create a landing page right now, you want to check out my channel. Go onto my channel's OJ Marketing, go onto the search section and just simply go to type in a landing page. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos I actually created for you that can help you go on to creating a landing page right here on platforms like Google Sites, Systemy.io, even the Webflow and other landing page builder sites you can actually grab hold of. So utilize such videos, as these videos explain to you how you can create simple landing pages for your CPA marketing offers. So after creating your landing page right now, you want to just simply promote your landing page or get traffic to such offers just by utilizing a simple strategy right here. The first strategy which you want to use is to head onto this platform right here, which is called facebook.com. So once you do head onto Facebook right here, maybe you want to just simply come right here and actually go into searching for Australia. And even without searching too much, you can actually see this section which says australia.com. Select that right now and you can actually go on to entering that particular account right here. You can see right here, this is actually focused on Australia right here, and it actually has about 8.4 million followers right there. And you can actually get targeted traffic to your CPA marketing offers by promoting it on this platform right now, as you can see right here. All you actually need to do is to come onto this platform right here, and you want to just simply go on to creating a simple post right now. And if you can't actually write something, all you need to do is to actually focus on a single post on this particular platform right here. Maybe I just select this particular post right now. I'm just going to click on the post more to actually get more details right here. And what I'm going to do is to click on view more comments right now. If I do click on that, I will be able to see a lot of people that are commenting on this post. What you want to do right now is to just simply come right here, click on reply. You want to just simply write a simple reply to this post right now. And what you want to type is something like, here is a free iPhone 14 giveaway for the next 17 people. Click here and try it yourself. And in this section, you want to paste in your affiliate marketing link right now, and you want to just simply copy the link. If you actually did create a landing page, you want to copy your landing page link right there and actually go on to pasting it in that particular section right here. Maybe pasting your landing page link right here. And guys, go on to commenting on this particular post, and you want to make sure you comment on as many posts as you can on this particular platform, and as many comments as you can on this platform. So utilize this right now to get a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offer. Another strategy which you can do is to write a post on this platform and utilize that. Or you want to just simply go back right now and you want to then just simply come onto this particular group section. Maybe I'm just going to select groups right here, and I'm actually going to target groups that is actually focused on Australia to go on to promoting my offers on such groups. Or you may actually want to just simply come right back to this set section. Once you're focusing on the groups, you want to just simply search for free iPhone or free giveaway. So once you do search for free giveaway, you'll be able to see a lot of giveaway groups you can go on to join in. This group has 80,000 members, this 29,000 members, 41, 56, and the list keep going on and on. So what you want to do is to actually gain access to any of this group right here. As you can see, even without joining this group, I can actually write a post. So you want to just simply write in a simple post, just like how we did previously for that particular Australian groups, and promote your offers on this platform. And you could actually go on to comments of people's posts, to actually go on to commenting on or replying people's comments on their post right there, and go on to getting traffic to your offers. So this is one strategy you can actually utilize. Another platform you could go on to utilizing right now, even as a beginner, and get traffic to your CPA marketing offers, is to utilize this platform right here, which is actually called twitter.com. And right here on Twitter, guys, you can actually come right here, create a post for yourself if you want, and actually utilize the same strategy. Or you want to just simply come right now and actually search for giveaway or hashtag giveaway. So if I just search for hashtag giveaway, I will be able to see a lot of people's posts about giveaway. Maybe I'm gonna go on to the latest, so actually check latest post about giveaway right now. And all you need to do right now is to actually check on any of those posts and check on the comments of those particular posts right now. Maybe I'm just gonna go on to commenting on this particular post by clicking on reply right now. And all you need to do is to just simply write a cool post such as this right here, which says follow for claim iPhone 14 for free. The first you want to do is to like the post, comment to this post, and retweet this post. And you want to paste in the link right here, this section, paste in the link to your landing page or your affiliate marketing product or CPA marketing product right here in this section before going on to replying on this post. And you want to make sure you do this for as many posts as you can right here. And also, guys, you could also go on to creating your own post right here by utilizing this strategy right now. Paste in that particular same type of stuff right now and get a lot of traffic to that utilizing this particular strategy. So even if you're a beginner and you utilize this strategy, you can go on to making a lot of cool traffic to your CPA marketing offers and start earning money using this strategy. So guys, if you want to get more info about CPA marketing and how to make money online, make sure guys you're subscribed to my channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So that's it for now, guys. You can also check out the video which you can see on the screen right now to get more info on how to make money online. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.